Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed on the topic counter or the data structure counter, right? So today we'll be discussing on the data structure ordered dict, right? So let's get into the definition part first. Ordered dict or ordered dictionary remembers the insertion order of the keys. What it does, it remembers the insertion order of the keys, right? So basically it is imported from the collections module. Just keep this in mind. Important. It is imported from the collections module. Normal dicts in Python 3.7 plus, so 3.7 and above basically also maintains order, but ordered dict has some extra features, right? So ordered dict has some extra features basically. Let's see the same via example, right? So let's go with a very simple example here. So I'll just go with from collections. I'll just go with import ordered dict, right? So let's do one thing. Let's create the ordered dict first. So I'll just go with OD here. So I'll just go with ordered dict function. So this is fine. Now let me go with OD of let me give A here. Let me assign this one to 1. So let me copy the same thing. Let me paste it twice here. So instead of A, I'll just go with B. Instead of A again, I'll just go with C. So this is going to be 2 and this is going to be 3. Right? So let's print something at the end. I'll just go with print OD. Right? So print OD. So this is fine. This is it for the code. This is it for the code basically, right? So again, ordered dict remembers the insertion order of keys. What it does, it remembers the insertion order of keys. Again, it is imported from the collections module. Normal dicts in Python 3.7 and above also maintain order, but order dictionary has some extra features, right? So this one, the output that we need to get here is this one. First of all, it creates empty order dict, right? So it creates empty order dict first, and it adds the key value pairs. Finally, it prints in the ascending order, right? So the output that we need to get here is a comma 1, b comma 2, c comma 3, right? So let's see the same here. So let me run the code. I'll just give here Python. So let me come here, right click, copy the file name. Let me come here, paste it dot py. So see here, a1, b2, c3. So we are getting the correct output, right? So we are getting the correct output, right? So now this is it for the ordered dictionary or ordered dict, right? So basically, normal dicts in Python also maintain order, but ordered dict has some extra features that can be helpful, right? So that is the reason we can make will be making use of ordered dictionary, or we can make use of the ordered dictionary or ordered dict keyword, right? So I hope the concept of ordered dict is completely clear, man. Right. So next, let's do one thing. Let's discuss about the default dict. Right. So default dict. So let me summarize whatever we have learned so far. Ordered dict preserves insertion order and has extra ordering methods. Right. Comparatively to the default dict. So again, just try to remember this one thing. Ordered dict preserves insertion order and has extra ordering methods, right? So I hope this part is completely clear, man. Right? So next, let's discuss about the default dict. Let's discuss about the default dict. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.